So today we are going to start step deviation method. Okay, step deviation method to find mean of the group data. Step deviation method to find mean of the group data. Okay, direct method and which one? Assumed mean method we had already completed. So today we are start step deviation method. So in this method, mean x bar is nothing but again a plus sigma of fi ui divided by sigma of fi into h, where a is again what? Assumed mean, the same assumed mean. Okay, here h is what? Class size. Okay, h is class size or class width, and this is nothing but okay, class width. How will we find class width? Upper limit minus upper limit minus of lower limit. This is class size or class width. Okay. Now UI. What is UI? UI is nothing but di upon h. You can say xi minus a upon h. Okay, so this is UI. So if you find the question, then you have one more table for UI here. CI, class interval, you know very well. Okay, this is class mark. After class interval you find class mark. Then what you find? Fi here. Then you find di xi minus a. Okay, and then after this UI is nothing but di upon h. That means whatever quantity di you divided it by h, you will get ui. Okay, and then what you find here? Fi ui. Only one more table is here for ui, and then again fi ui. And what is here? This is sigma of fi ui, sum of these quantities. And what you find? Sigma of fi here. Okay, and in the formula you know a is the assumed mean. Here in class mark, any one of the class mark is assumed mean. Okay, so this is the blueprint for finding the solution. This is the formula, this is the blueprint. That means how will we find? Okay, so only calculation is there, otherwise it is very simple. Okay, and what type of calculation? Only multiplication, division, subtraction, and you know very well what is how to multiply, how to divide, how to add. Okay, so note it down please. We are going to do some question from the exercise number 14.1. So first of all, we are going to see the questions based on missing frequency. Missing frequency, that is, mean is given, sum of frequencies are given, but some frequencies are missing that should not be given. Okay, suppose here question number third. Question number third, exercise number 14.1. See, in this particular question, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of a children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency. Okay, so here daily pocket. So directly I have to write here class interval. Okay, because this is from 11 to 13. Kyoda? 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23. Okay? So these are the class intervals, that means pocket allowance. Okay? And here frequency is given, that is, this is Fi. So I have to write Fi here, okay? Because here we make class mark. Understood? CM means class mark. So frequencies are given 769, 769, 30, F, 5, 4. 23 to 25 also here. Okay? So F, 5 and 4. So this is Fi. Okay? So afterwards we start the question. So in this particular question you use direct method. This is easy to find missing frequency. Okay? And after getting missing frequency, we had to find this particular question by the another methods as assumed mean and step deviation. Okay? The same question जो है हम किससे करेंगे, assumed mean और step deviation से भी आपको करके दिखा देंगे. Okay? So see, this is the class mark. Class mark is 13 and 11. 24 and this is divided by 2, 12 and this is 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So this is class mark. Okay? And this is Fi. Class mark is Xi, Ci, and here only one table we make Fi Xi. क्यों ना? Fi Xi. This is your sigma of Fi Xi, and this is your sigma of Fi, and this sigma of Fi is given here maybe. How much it is? How many students are there? No, this is the mean. The following distribution of the daily pocket allowance of the. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So see, Fi is what? Add it. 7, 6, 13, 9, 22. 25, 10, 35, 40, 44 plus F. This is 44 plus. This is sigma Fi. Now Fi Xi 12 7 जा. हाँ लिखिएगा इसको. And this is 2. Confirmed. Okay, this is 20F. And this is 100 and this is 96. And what you will get this sigma Fi Xi? 775 plus
75 plus 20.
Only 75 plus 20.
Yes.
No?
750.
775 no?
752.
752 plus 20. This is what? Sigma Fi xi. How will you get? After adding this one. Okay? After adding this one, you will get 752 plus 20. Now use formula. X bar is given. What it is? 18. Okay? So direct method we use. X bar is what? Sigma of Fi xi divided by sigma of Fi, and this X bar is 18 and this is sigma Fi xi. So Fi xi is what? 752 plus F divided by 20F and divided it by what? 44 plus F. Now this one is 234, correct it? And then this one is correct? Addition is correct? Okay? So you find it, calculate it, you will get the value of F. So 18 for the 72, 79, okay? And this is plus 18F, this is 20F plus 752, and this is 20 and 18, 2F is equal to 792 minus 752. So 2F is equals to how much? 40. And then F is equals to 20. Match the answer. Match the answer. F will be 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So this is the questions based on missing frequency. Okay. So from this particular question you find the missing frequency, and afterwards we put the value of F. Okay. And the same question we have to do by the assumed mean method and as well as step deviation method. Okay. So please note it down. After finding the missing frequency F, I am going to solve the same question by the step deviation and assumed mean. So first method we consider assumed mean method. Okay, clear? So see, now we write here missing frequency. We write here missing frequency. This is nothing but 20. Am I right? And now we need Fi xi, no need of Fi xi. Now what we need? First we find ui. For step deviation, assume mean. Now we are going to solve the same question by assumed mean method. Okay, this is the table and we find it by assumed mean. So for that we need sum of frequencies Fi. So now if you add, what will we get? 44 plus F tha na, 44 plus 20. Now we write it 64. Okay, and here di, and di is nothing but xi minus a. Okay, so what is xi minus a? Xi minus a is di. So xi is this xi and a. So any one of them you supposed to be assumed mean. So which one we suppose assumed mean? 16. चलो 16 को हमने ले लिया. Okay. So a is equal to 16. So xi minus a, that means x1 12 minus a. सब हर एक क्वांटिटीज को आपको 12 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Okay. So 12 minus 16 is minus 4. 12 minus 14 minus 16 is 16 minus 60 18 20 22 6 and 24. Okay, now you find another table Fi di. Now we find Fi di, and this is sigma of Fi di, that means sum of these frequencies. Okay, so Fi di is minus 28 minus 12, 0, 26, 80, 30, 32. And how much the sum of FIDI? Sum it 110 and 142, 142. Just wait, 142 and this is 162, 168, okay, and minus 40. So 128. Yes, sir. 120. Here, and now we find the mean x bar a plus sigma of fi di divided by sigma of fi. So simple, okay? So this is what? X bar, this is A is 16 and this is nothing but how much? Voluda? 120 and this is 64. So X bar is 16 plus 2 na? 18 and you know the answer? In question it is given the mean is 18. देखिए इसके पहले जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था तो उसमें क्या था मीन 18 दिया था कि नहीं ओके सो दिस इज द मेथड assumed mean okay now the same question we can solve by step deviation method okay so now see मिटा दे इसको step deviation method in step deviation method one more table we need UI is nothing but xi minus a upon h. Okay? So xi minus a upon h. So first of all, we find xi minus a. We already have xi minus a. Now h is what? H is nothing but class size, and class size is nothing but 2. 15 minus 13 or any two upper limit and lower limit if you subtract you will get 2. So the di is divided by 2 you will get ui. So minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 okay आप बेटा सामने सामने लिख लेना ठीक है ना हम ऐसा नहीं लिखे आप टेबल अच्छे से बनाना ओके सो दिस इज ui. Now what we need to find fi ui. So what will be the value of fi ui? Fi is this, ui is this. So minus 14 minus 6 0 13 40 60 आएगा 22 से 40 एक मिनट बेटा रुको 7 minus 2 minus 14 6 minus 2 6 minus 1 minus 6 9 0 0 13 2 1 13 20 2 40 5 3 15 ना and 4 16 okay so what will be the value of sigma of fi ui added minus 20 उसी का हाफ हो जाएगा बेटा क्योंकि सबको 2 से डिवाइड किया है ना तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 20 और ये 31 एक मिनट देख लो बेटा 64 okay so what it is 64 now put the value in the formula x bar a plus sigma of fi ui divided by sigma of fi into h also so the next one is a plus a that is 16 plus 64 by 64 into so this is also so this is the method known as step deviation method okay so the whole three methods, direct method, step deviation and assumed mean, which we have already discussed. So please try to complete this exercise, okay? Exercise number 14.1. We have to solve here missing frequency questions also, okay? So try to complete.